Welcome. In this video I will show you how to set up phone hub on Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3 Chromebook. To set up a phone hub on your device, you're gonna need to connect an Android smartphone to it, so make sure to prepare it before you do that. After that, open the control center on your laptop, go to settings, then go to connected devices. In this menu, click setup next to Android phone. Okay, now we're gonna have to select a device from available ones. If you don't see your smartphone here, you're gonna have to make sure that you are signed in to the same Google account on the phone you're trying to connect. If you're not, then connect a Google account to this phone. Then click connect, enter your PIN code, press enter, and done. Okay. Now let's check our phone. Okay, so I was hoping for verification progress, but first we have to click verify on this page. Okay, so if your verification doesn't go through, all you have to do is connect both your Android smartphone and your Chromebook to the internet and also enable Bluetooth on both of them. Then you'll be able to see the actions that you can perform using your smartphone in the following menu. So we can use Smart Lock, Instant Tethering, Phone Hub, and Wi-Fi synchronization. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.